If it's something you are not good at, something you don't want to do, go hire somebody. I'm trying to tell you. One of the biggest and key things when it comes to hiring team members, I know a lot of people don't want to do it because you figure, well, I'm not really making that much in business to hire, and you never will because of that mentality. You never will. I had to, you know, when I got into hiring, I went from hiring people like real nervously and at low rates, right? At low rates to having a team of maybe 17 at the most, because I saw what it did. I saw me having these people doing the things that I needed to do, but didn't want to do. Like it needed to happen in my business. I was now able to dedicate my time over here, play around with things I like doing, right? I was able to go on tour. Why? Because I got a whole team running my business.